Welcome to English Podcast
from Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the channel where learning English feels simple and enjoyable. I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah. Hi, Ava. How are you today?
Hi, Noah. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? How's your day going so far?
I'm doing really well, too. It's been a calm morning. I had a nice cup of coffee, so I'm feeling relaxed and ready.
That sounds perfect. Coffee really makes mornings better.
It really does. So, Ava, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is a fun and very useful one. We're talking about daily routines.
That's a great topic for English learners because we talk about our day all the time.
Exactly. We all have a routine, even if it changes a little from day to day. It's also a great way to practice common verbs and time expressions.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
Yes, thank you so much for being here with us. And today we have something special.
That's right. We received a voice message from our friend Jessie, who shared her daily routine with us.
We're going to listen to Jessie's story first. Then Noah and I will talk about it and compare it with our own routines. It's a great way to hear real, natural English. Ready, Ava?
I'm ready. Let's listen to Jessie's day.
Hello, my name is Jessie, and I want to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. on weekdays. I don't like waking up early, but my job starts early. First, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Washing my face helps me feel more awake. Next, I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. While the coffee is brewing, I check my phone and look at messages and emails. Sometimes I check social media for a few minutes. After that, I get dressed. I usually wear simple clothes for work. Then I eat breakfast, usually toast with butter and jam, and of course, my coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit too. At 7 a.m., I leave my house and take the bus to work. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes, so I listen to music or a podcast. I arrive at work around 7:30 a.m., and my work starts at 7:45. I work in an office, check my emails, and work on my computer for most of the day. At noon, I have lunch. I usually bring a sandwich or salad from home and eat with my coworkers. We talk and laugh, which is a nice break. In the afternoon, I continue working, and sometimes I have meetings. My workday finishes at 4:30 p.m. After work, I take the bus home and arrive around 5 p.m. When I get home, I relax for a bit. I sit on the sofa, watch TV, or read. Around 6:30 p.m., I make dinner. I like cooking and sometimes try new recipes. After dinner, I wash the dishes. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We talk or watch a movie together. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Before bed, I take a shower and read a book. I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I try to sleep for 7 or 8 hours. That's my typical weekday. On weekends, my routine is much more relaxed.
So much, Jessie. That was very clear and easy to follow.
Yes, she explained her routine really well. I liked how she used clear times, like 6 a.m. and 12 p.m.
She also used many everyday verbs. Wake up, get dressed, go to work, have lunch.
And I really related to her saying she doesn't like waking up early.
Same here, but coffee helps, just like for Jessie.
Her routine is actually very similar to mine. I wake up around 7 a.m., have coffee, check my phone, and get dressed.
Mine is similar too. I also start my day with coffee and emails.
Jessie takes the bus, but we usually drive to work. That's one difference.
Yes, but many parts are the same. Computer work, lunch, finishing work, relaxing in the evening.
I also like how she reads before bed. That's a great habit.
And going to bed around 10:30 p.m., that's a good goal for healthy sleep.
This episode shows how many useful words you can learn just by talking about your daily routine.
Verbs like wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, relax, and go to bed are used every day.
And time expressions like in the morning, at noon, in the evening are very important too.
Now it's your turn.
Leave a comment below and tell us one thing you do every day.
We love reading your comments and learning about your routines.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak English with Ease.
Keep practicing your English.
See you next time. Bye.